In Ballarat, Australia, the Art Gallery of Ballarat, rich of victory and lake windery. Each represents beauty in art, richness in history, and charm in nature. Climbing data, like an invisible conductor baton, quietly influence their landscape and visitors' experiences. Today, we will discuss how rainfall and temperature data could affect our decision to open a coffee shop here with friends. Before starting our business, we need to answer a key few questions. Will the rainfall impact our plan? How is climate change connected to the UN Sustainable Development Goals? Let's explore.
Look at this data. Ballarat's summer rainfall fluctuates greatly, while winter is stable. Over the past 10 years, summer rainfall has decreased by 15%. This means the water level at Lake Wendouree might drop, affecting visitors' lake walks.
If the drought continues, this green path could turn yellow, and fewer visitors will come. If our cafe relies on outdoor seating, we must adapt to climate change, like adding retractable sunshades or switching to indoor seating in the rainy season.
Temperature changes are more concerning. The average winter temperature has risen by 1.2 degrees Celsius, and the spring rainfall has become more concentrated. This trend may worsen soil erosion and threaten the vegetation around the Arch of Victory. If the cafe wants to combine historical hikes, it must assess the impact of extreme weather on the landmarks.
Exactly, this is directly related to the UN's SDGs 30 point and 11 point. All coffee can adopt low carbon designs such as solar point and calibrate with local environment organizations to protect the ecology.
You mentioned moving indoors during the rainy season, but another key point is sustainable operations. Look at this data. During the spring rainfall, the art gallery's roof drainage often overflows. If we open a cafe, should we invest a rainwater harvest system? It would reduce the rainfall pressure and recycle resource, supporting SGD 6.
Exactly. For example, we could install a rooftop rainwater tank, filter it, and use it for water plants or cleaning. An eco-restaurant in Melbourne saved 40% on water bills. With similar design, we could also apply for government green infrastructure subsidies, which could become a great brand story.
Climate can also affect the maintenance cost of historical sites. If extreme weather becomes more frequent, should we set up a heritage emergency fund? Also, donating 1% of each sale to a heritage conservation fund would support SDG 11 and strengthen community identity.
Great idea. We could also set up a real-time climate data screen in the coffee. Show things like total water saved today or graded conversation progress. Then the customers can see their contribution to sustainability while enjoying their coffee.
So, based on everyone's suggestions, our cafe will not just be a place to consume, but also a climate action center. From rainwater usage and heritage preservation to data transparency, every step aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals. But if summer droughts worsen in the next decade, how should we adjust?
For example, we could introduce climate-specific drinks, hot chocolates on rainy days, and water-saving smoothies during the dry season. We can tell stories through products, allowing customers to be participants in the ecological transformation, not just observers.
Yes, our business is not just commercial, it's a responsibility. By protecting Belarus' natural and cultural heritage and promoting sustainable tourism, we are contributing to global goals. This is a future truly worth investing in.
Climate is not an obstacle, it's the compass for the entrepreneurship.
Every fluctuation in data has an opportunity for innovation.
Understand the weather and you can create sunny days.
Starting from the Sustainable Development Goals, let business do good.
Join us and redefine the future of Ballarat.
Start our business together, beginning with understanding the climate.